Hey guys, Matty from F.S.A Australia. Going to be doing a review on the Scangauge unit. It's got a few more features than most of the unit, so I'm looking forward to seeing what we can get out of it. And I'll do a little install video as well, just to show you how simple they are to hook up. So let's get into it. So the unit comes with everything you need to hook it straight up. So the user manuals. That's your cord, which plugs into the computer. There's a little unit itself, the screen for the readouts. So what you need to do is locate your plug, this one right here. Once you've located that, you're good to go. Literally all we need to do is plug it in, pop it in, easy. Plug this end into the screen, connecting. Perfect. It's all up and going. So I've just got mine mounted here. Obviously your volts for your battery, top left, intake air temperature is on the bottom left, top right's coolant temperature, and the bottom right's apparently the horsepower the engine's making, which might change. So there is a cool feature on this Scangauge. And go home, more, mode, X gauge. It's a little extra part of the unit where you can type in all the extra little bits that your car can show. So we'll go to this one, and you go edit, type in the numbers. Where do you get the numbers from? Over here on the website you can get all the numbers. So ACT, auto cool temperature. So I copy right in all those numbers into here. So I'll type them all in. Okay. I've typed all those in already. That's the name I'm going to save it as. Okay. Save. Exit. Home. Back to the gauge. There it is there up the top. 68 degrees. Which is awesome. The other cool thing that this thing has, we can go more. Setup. So distance, I'm in kilometers. Fuel liters, temp, degrees, pressure PSI, engine size 2.3, which is what I have, 70 litres, fuel type's diesel, currency's dollars, advanced settings. I'm going to go edit, going to go to speed. So see I've got it at 3%, my speedo's out by about 3%. So we'll go back, hit the gauge, and down here I've got on kilometres per hour. It'll give me an actual readout instead of trying to work it out up here. So why do you need one of these units? It's always good just to watch what your temperatures are doing, because on your dash you've only got analog, so you don't really know what temperatures you're setting at. I've seen before where my gauge says I'm only just warm, I'm literally just at operating temperature, and down here when I'm towing the van it's telling me that I'm 100 degrees. So it's always good just to keep an eye on it. The other handy feature with these is being able to reset the computer. I've found that with my car, if I've thrown a code or anything like that, I'm in the middle of nowhere, at least I'm able to reset the computer and hopefully get it out of limp mode. Yeah, it won't work all the time, but 99% of the time it's worked for me and I've been happy with it. Anyway, I'll leave you with it. That gives you a bit of an overview of what the Scangauge can do and what the extra parts, the X gauge, can actually do for your car as well, to give you more customization. Hope you like this little video. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you again soon.